大家好，今天我们要吃鲍鱼 Braised Abalone with spinach. We are going to need abalone. Any kind of abalone, you can use the canned ones too. And then we need Chinese spinach. And then we need dried scallop and some fresh garlic. And then we need cornstarch and salt and oil, oyster sauce, then dark soy sauce. That's it, we can start already. Start by heating the pan and adding 1 liter of water. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil and half a teaspoon of salt. Then, assuming we already chopped the edges and cleaned our pot, now we're going to put this spinach in the water. Blanch the spinach until they are cooked. Then, remove the spinach and arrange them on your serving platter. Now heat oil in a pan and fry the garlic. After frying, set aside. Using the same pan, place the abalone and the dried scallops. Add about 1½ cups of water, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Cover and leave to boil. Now we need to mix cornstarch and water to make a slurry. Pour in the slurry into the simmering sauce. Mix well and then leave to simmer again. Hey, have you subscribed to me already? Please click subscribe if you haven't yet. Boil it for the last time and then switch off the heat. Remove the abalone and then arrange the abalone on your serving platter and then pour the sauce all over the abalone and the spinach. Lastly, top it with fried garlic. That's it, it's now ready to serve. When trying this recipe, try to use a real abalone for more natural taste. Thank you for watching, guys. 谢谢你们。